Alright, hello guys, welcome to the new episode of Bukktorials. Today we're gonna go over listeners, also known as events in the Bukkit API. This allows us to do a bunch of stuff. If you think commands were one thing, well, wait for that, because you can do pretty much a lot of stuff with that. So, for first, let me just introduce myself. I am gooby.gaming, gooby.god, one of the managers on the Bukktorial network, which is work in progress right now. IP in the description below. There's only TribeHunter open at the moment, but that doesn't matter really, because it's still fun. For a start, let's create a new project. A new Java project. I showed you in the last episode how to create that. We're going to call it Bukktorial. So let's start. I showed you in the last episode how to create a package. So let's me.goobygod. This is the package name. I always use me.goobygod, my MC name, my project name. So it's going to be me.goobygod.bukktorial. The next, we're going to create the main class. So let's call it main. Alright, let's import our Java Bukkit API. So let's do that. There's also one more thing which I didn't mention in the video. To export your project, go to export, next, as a jar file, and then you're gonna select the place you want to export it, and just name your project. So this is gonna be Bukktorial. Alright, so I'm gonna show you an in-game feature of that. Yeah, let's soon. So, alright, so now we're gonna start extends Java plugin. So I showed you why in the last video. If you didn't watch the last video, please watch it. It's gonna help you a ton for this tutorial. So what I like to do is pretty much create my on enable. You'll see why we need that right now. So, to create an event or something, you first need to call it from your main class. So your main class is over here. So to create your class event, just type get server dot get plugin manager dot register events, a new class name, event class, and do brackets like these, and now we're gonna cast it to this class. So now you can just it's gonna give you an error. Just go over it. Create class event class. So now it's gonna create it, and you just go finish. So that's gonna create your event class. It's gonna implement in the listener. So that's gonna be what about it? Alright, so now we can save that because we don't need this class anymore. Alright. Alright. Now, for creating class, you need to type event. Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't type today. Event handler. And you're going to type public void, so it doesn't return anything. You can use anything for that, but I prefer using something that is related to the event. So on player join. Alright. So now it's time to cast your event. So player, you can see that There's a bunch of stuff. Like, you can't even, like, egg throw event, leash entity event, name prompt, pickup item event, portal event, pre-login event. That's, do not use that. It's, deprecated or something. Respawn event, shear entity event, teleport event, toggle flight, toggle sneak, and toggle sprint. And there's other stuff like chat event. This is a sync chat event, so you don't use a chat event here. It's deprecated also, so don't use that. I'm gonna show you the chat event in the later episode. For this video, we're gonna use the join event. So this is when a player joins the server. For now, it's just gonna do something when he joins the server. Alright. So now we're gonna get our player event.get player. So it's that simple. And we're gonna import our player. We also imported event handler from bucket. Also, always import from bucket. So we're gonna do something I'm gonna explain after. If player dot get game mode doesn't equal game mode, I think it's that survival. Then player set game mode survival. Alright, so that does also, if we get the game mode, if it isn't equal to survival, we set his game mode to survival. Alright, so that's simple enough. Else, well, we don't need an else statement, because if it's equal to survival, I'm sorry, if it's equal to survival, then it's gonna just stay survival. You can player dot send message. You can get his name, player get name, plus I showed strings in the last video, so has been changed to survival. So we can also do, if I think we can do that, player game mode to string. So that's going to convert the game mode type to a string. And we can also do to lowercase, so that's going to be all lowercases. So chat color red. So that should work. Make sure that you create your plugin.yml file. And now we don't need to register any commands, so Bukktorial main me.gooby.god.bukktorial.main main version 0.0. And you can also type other, so it's you that wrote the plugin. It's gonna be written as you. So we're gonna save that, and we're just gonna press F5 to refresh your plugin. Export. Next, export it to your plugins folder. And that's what I do. Finish and export. So that's pretty simple. So see you in game. Right, so we're back in game. As you can see, I am game mode creative right now. And let me just alright, so when I joined the game, it sent me gooby.god's game mode has been changed to survival. So that's a proof that it works. Let me just rejoin to show you guys. So it's been changed to survival. So that's an example of it working. So thanks for watching, and please, if you have any suggestions or other things you want me to show, please do them in the comments below, and have a good day. Thanks.